The President Tree, 3,200-year-old tree and so big that it can't be captured in one photo. Trees are a source of human life. From these majestic towering parts of nature, for the most part, we no doubt go about our lives not contemplating just what trees supply us with. President 3,200 years old Sequoia too big to capture completely in photo. From trees we are provided with a form of oxygen. Certain types of trees also give us food. Trees can also be used to make medicine, and of course, trees provides us with shade in hot weather, but trees hold other essential things as well. If not cut down, a tree can survive for hundreds if not thousands of years, and if trees could talk, no telling the history that these have witnessed. In many areas of the world, there are places, for example in the United States there are several places where there are trees that have stood for centuries which are kept in a place where they are preserved and even viewed by the public. In Oregon, there is the Maple Tree Tunnel, and in California, there is the giant forest which no doubt got its name from the giant sequoia trees that reside there. In this sanctuary, one of three of the largest trees, and perhaps one of the oldest, can be found. This tree has been given the name of Mr. President, and is quite a sight to behold. The President towers so high among other trees that it is hard to this day for anyone to be able to capture the entire tree on camera in one photo. The President has also been determined to be 3,200 years old. But wait, how anyone was able to determine the age of the tree? Isn't this done by counting the rings when it has been cut? And this tree certainly wasn't cut down. Well, maybe it's still not possible to capture the entire tree on film at one time, but it is now possible to study a tree even while it's still standing proudly in the forest. Researchers over the years have studied the various types of trees, and it turns out the Sequoia is a very strong, healthy variety that can withstand much abuse from the elements and even man. There are signs of such treatment on the President. In one area there is a spot where it's obvious that the trees were hit by lightning more than once. Also, a tree's size and trunk width, in general, tells a story about how old it may be. Because the President is the third largest tree in all the world, odds are it has been around for thousands of years. Just imagine the stories this beautiful tree could tell if it were possible.